If you're trying to future-proof your income, build leverage, and stay irreplaceable in an AI-saturated world, this video is for you. Everywhere you look in 2026, the message is the same. AI is coming for your job. Learn AI or get left behind. And honestly, they're not entirely wrong. Tools like ChatGPT, automation platforms, and AI agents are already wiping out repetitive tasks, entry-level roles, and even parts of creative work. But here's what 95% of people are missing. There are certain high-income skills that don't just survive the AI era, they explode in value because of it. Your current skill may shrink, but these skills sit in the sweet spot. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down the exact 6 high-income skills that top earners and recruiters say will not only hold strong in 2026, they'll command thousands of dollars while the automation wave crashes around everything else. Master even one, and you're positioned to thrive with leverage most people can only dream of. Let's get in. Number 1, creative director. A creative director leads the overall vision of a project from idea to final execution. They combine creative taste, strategic thinking, and emotional intelligence to guide teams and ensure everything fits into one clear and powerful message. Their role is not just to create content, but to decide the direction a brand or campaign should take. This role is AI-proof because while AI can generate images, videos, and text, it cannot truly understand human emotions, cultural trends, or what will genuinely connect with people. AI produces options, but it lacks judgment. A creative director chooses the best ideas, shapes the story, and ensures the message aligns with the brand's identity. Creative directors typically earn between $100,000 and $130,000 per year, with higher pay in larger markets. The learning curve is moderate, requiring creativity, leadership, and strategic thinking. Competition is manageable because not everyone can combine vision with execution. In practice, they may use AI tools to create content, but it is their guidance and decision-making that turn raw ideas into campaigns that capture attention and drive real results. Number 2. Data analyst. Data analysts don't just drown in spreadsheets. They turn chaotic numbers into crystal clear, actionable gold that powers million-dollar decisions. They dig deep, spot hidden patterns, and translate raw data into insights that slash costs, skyrocket revenue, and solve problems leaders didn't even know they had. AI can process data quickly and generate reports, but it cannot fully understand business context, set the right priorities, or decide which questions truly matter. The human analyst chooses what to measure, identifies meaningful patterns, and explains results in a way leaders can act on. They combine technical skills with business knowledge and critical thinking to connect data to real-world decisions. They provide recommendations that increase revenue, reduce expenses, and improve efficiency, translating complex data into clear actions that businesses rely on for growth. Data analysts typically earn between $100,000 and $130,000 per year in major markets. The learning curve is moderate, requiring skills and tools like Excel, SQL, or Python, as well as strong analytical thinking. Competition is high, but those with strong domain knowledge and precision stand out quickly. Number 3, Cybersecurity Specialist. Cybersecurity specialists are the digital guardians standing between organizations and total chaos. They protect an organization's digital systems, data, and networks from cyber attacks. They are responsible for keeping sensitive information safe and making sure company systems cannot be easily hacked or damaged. As businesses move more operations online, this role has become essential in every industry. This role is considered AI-proof because, although AI can help detect unusual activity or even generate advanced malware, it cannot fully understand evolving human threats or make critical decisions during a live attack. These pros analyze risks, design defense strategies, respond to breaches, and adapt security systems as threats change. They combine technical knowledge with strategic thinking to stay one step ahead of hackers and AI-driven attacks. Salaries typically range from $110,000 to $140,000 per year in major markets, with higher pay for senior or specialized roles. The learning curve is moderate, requiring knowledge of networking, system security, ethical hacking, and security frameworks. Competition is relatively low compared to many tech roles because not everyone develops deep security expertise. On the job, they design secure network systems, run penetration tests to find weaknesses, monitor threats in real time, automate detection systems, and ensure compliance with security standards. These responsibilities require judgment, context, and fast decision-making areas where human expertise remains critical. Number 4, Robotics Engineer. Robotics engineers design and build machines that combine software intelligence with physical hardware. They turn digital algorithms into real-world systems that can move, sense, and interact with people and environments safely. Their work connects AI software to mechanical components, electronics, and control systems that function in factories, hospitals, warehouses, and public spaces. While AI can write code or improve performance, it cannot physically design, assemble, and test machines in the real world without human expertise. These engineers master how hardware behaves under real conditions, how sensors collect data, and how control systems respond to movement and force. They translate complex software logic into machines that operate safely, accurately, and reliably. A robotics engineer may design robotic arms for manufacturing, build autonomous delivery drones, or develop assistive robots for hospitals. These projects require precision, testing, troubleshooting, and continuous improvement tasks that depend on engineering judgment and real-world problem-solving beyond what AI alone can handle. Pay ranges between $115,000 and $150,000 per year in major markets, with higher pay for senior specialists or those working in advanced industries. The learning curve is high. It requires strong knowledge of mechanical design, CAD software, control theory, electronics, and robotics programming. Competition is moderate because fewer professionals have deep expertise in both hardware and software integration. Number 5, Full-Stack Software Engineer. Full-stack engineers design, develop, and maintain digital platforms, managing both front-end interfaces and back-end systems. This role is highly in demand because every digital product from SaaS apps to e-commerce platforms requires engineers who can build scalable, secure, and user-friendly systems. While AI can assist with code generation, architecting secure, scalable platforms, integrating complex systems, and ensuring bulletproof performance under massive load is pure human territory. The real value of a full-stack engineer lies in connecting the entire technology stack into one seamless experience. They build responsive interfaces users interact with while developing the server logic and data systems running behind the scenes. Their goal is to ensure applications remain fast, secure, and reliable, even at scale. Responsibilities often include building modern front-end interfaces, developing back-end APIs, integrating databases, implementing security best practices, and deploying applications using cloud infrastructure and DevOps pipelines. By combining deep technical skills with cross-stack problem-solving, full-stack engineers create platforms capable of handling complex workflows, large user bases, and real-time interactions. Successful engineers pair strong coding ability with a solid understanding of architecture and system design. A portfolio of full-stack projects, experience with modern frameworks, and familiarity with cloud services can position someone for top-tier opportunities. Salaries range from $120,000 to $160,000 per year. The learning curve is medium, requiring proficiency in multiple programming languages, frameworks, databases, and cloud infrastructure, while competition is high due to the role's popularity. Number 6, AI/Machine Learning Specialist. AI and machine learning specialists are the engineers behind the curtain. They design the models that recommend what you watch, detect fraud before it happens, power chatbots, analyze medical scans, and run intelligent automation. While others type prompts, these professionals build the systems that respond. They create recommendation engines, train large language models, design computer vision systems, and develop fraud detection pipelines. They write the algorithms. They structure the data. They architect the entire pipeline from raw information to intelligent output. And here's why this role is powerful. AI cannot invent, test, and deploy entirely new AI systems on its own. It still needs human intelligence to guide it. AI and ML specialists handle the hard parts, cleaning and structuring messy data, tuning models for performance, reducing bias, stress testing systems, and making sure everything works in the real world, not just in a demo. Without them, AI products would break, hallucinate, misclassify, or fail at scale. That level of expertise pays. In major tech markets, salaries typically range from $130,000 to $180,000 per year. Senior engineers and researchers earn far beyond that with bonuses, stock options, and leadership roles. The pattern in 2025 is clear. The highest salaries go to the people building and controlling AI systems, not the ones doing routine tasks with them. The learning curve is steep. You need strong math, statistics, and programming skills. Most specialists work heavily with Python and frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow, but because relatively few people can build AI systems from scratch, competition is lower than in general software roles. In 2026, the market rewards creators and decision makers. AI can automate repetitive jobs. It can't replace the architects designing its intelligence. It can't replace the experts safeguarding its output. It can't replace the innovators pushing its limit. So, which one are you going to claim? Let's know in the comments. If this hits home, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more raw career moves to help you build real leverage in this new world.